computer and control and manage all the parts of computer. And third, ALU, arithmetic and logical unit. This perform the arithmetic calculations like addition, subtraction, divide, multiply, and logic unit is used to compare two numbers. Output devices. Output devices are used to display the processed data. It helps us to see the result after processing the data. Yes. Monitor. Monitor is an input device which is used to display the result, pictures, etc. Monitor looks like a television screen. It displays the work that we do on a computer. It also displays the results and movement of the mouse pointer on the screen. A monitor is also known as VDU, the full form of Video Visual Display Unit. The information that we can see on a monitor is called the soft copy, or the result we see on a monitor is called soft copy. Today, different types of monitor are available in the market like LCD, LED, LCD, liquid crystal display. These type of monitor take less space and electricity. LED, light emitted diode. LED has better display. It is thinner and lighter in the weight, and these also use less space and electricity. Second output device is printer. Printer is used to take output or results on a paper. The output printed on a paper is called hard copy. There are various type of printer available in the market: black and white printer, colored printer, laser printer, etc. Next, speaker. Speakers are used to play audio files. Yes, these are used to play music. Webcam is another hardware component to share the image through internet. By using the webcam, a user can connect with the other user by video conferencing. Now, software. This is the second part of this is the second category of parts of computer system. Software. Software is a set of instructions to perform a specific task on computer. Hardware cannot work itself. It needs some instruction or command to perform a task. Yes, software is that part of a computer which cannot be seen and touched. To run the hardware work, we have to need software in it. Let us take an example of a television. The television itself is a hardware. Yes, television is a hardware, but the program you watch on TV are software. Without software, there is no use of hardware. Without the programs, there is no use of television. A computer without software is just like a car without driver. One more example. You must have seen and used a music system. The parts like speaker, CD, DVD, which you can see and touch. These are hardware. Can you see the songs or music recorded on a CD or DVD? No, because that are software. A CD is a hardware, but the songs or music which are stored in it on it are software. And without software, there is no use of hardware. Without songs, there is no use of CD. Now, software also divided into two parts: system software and application software. System software. It is a set of program that controls the overall working of a computer. It is the main software program which help a computer runs and perform all important works like opening to computers, desktop and other programs. Yes, it is the most important part of software. Without the ins- without the software, system software, we cannot work on the computer. The example of system software is operating system. Operating system is used to operate the computer, and Microsoft Windows, Linux, Unix, Android, these are the example of operating system. In each computer have in each computer has a particular operating system that manage and control or operate all the activities of the computer system. Next, application software. It is used to perform a special kind of task like to write poems, draw pictures, etc. So for these tasks, we need application software. Given below are some commonly used application software. Yes, look the pictures. These pictures of application software. Application software perform a specific task like MS Word. It is used to type document, type letters, type poem. We use MS Word or WordPad. To draw the picture, word processing software. Word processing software is used to type, edit and format text document. We can write poems, stories and many other things. And the example of word processing software are Microsoft of Word and WordPad. Next, Paint software. Paint software used to draw and color pictures. It has many tools for drawing and different variety of colors. Yes, you all have done work on paint and obviously draw pictures, objects and fill color them. Next, music and video player. Music and video player are used to listen songs and watch movies. There are so many music and video player softwares available like Windows Media Player, VLC Media Player, etc. Yes, Windows Media Player is the common music and video player in which we can run a CD, we can play songs.